Have you ever feel like you have been drawing for months or even years and still are not seeing big improvement? I get it. I was stuck too, even though I was practicing constantly, but here's the truth. More drawing doesn't always mean more progress. In this video, I will break down the 5 biggest reasons you are not improving in digital art and exactly how to fix them. So keep on watching the video till the end. Mistake number 1 is mindless practice. You are drawing every day, but without intention. You sketch the same things over and over without challenging yourself. Mistake number 2 is avoiding fundamentals. You are skipping studies like anatomy, perspective, lighting because they feel boring or hard. But avoiding them builds shaky foundations. Mistake number 3 is comparing instead of creating. You scroll through Instagram or ArtStation and feel discouraged. You spend more time consuming art than creating your own. Mistake number 4 is never finishing artwork. You start drawings but abandon them halfway. Finishing teaches critical skills like composition, color balance, and problem solving. The 5th mistake is fear of being bad. You are afraid to try new things because you don't want to fail. So you stay in your comfort zone, which limits your growth. Why these habits stop you from growing? Improvement doesn't come from repetition alone. It comes from intentional, focused practice. It's like going to the gym and doing bicep curls all day. If you never train your legs, your progress is unbalanced. Same with art. If you don't study what you struggle with, you'll plateau. Now let's talk about how to fix it. What actionable steps we can take. Tip number 1 is practice with purpose. Instead of just doodling, pick one thing to focus on. Hands, lighting, perspective, expressions. Target your weak spots. Tip number 2 is do art studies. Use references, study how light hits the vase, break down anatomy, copy a master artist to understand their choice, not to steal but to learn. Tip number 3 is limit scrolling, start creating. Set a rule. For every 10 minutes of art browsing, create something inspired by what you saw. Turn comparison into action. Tip number 4 is experiment without judgment. Try styles that scare you. Use a messy brush, draw with your eyes closed, let yourself fail. It's how you learn. Tip number 5 is finish what you start. Even if the drawing is not perfect, take it to the end. You will improve faster by problem solving in the final stages. Give yourself 30 minutes to study, 30 minutes to create. Keep your learning balanced and avoid burnout. Stuck doesn't mean hopeless. Every artist hits this wall. The difference is, do you stay there or push through? Improvement is not always visible day to day, but with consistent, focused effort, you will get there. And you will look back one day and be shocked how far you have come. Comment down below what's one habit you know is holding you back right now. Let's be real and let's help each other. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.